One of the popular interview questions is reversing a queue. So the interviewer gives you a queue like this, and you should give an algorithm for reversing this queue. In other words, if we print this queue, we're going to see 10, 20, and 30, where 10 is going to be the front of the queue. After reversing the queue, the order is going to change. So we're going to get 30, 20, and 10. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to create a new method in this class, public static void reverse, which gets a queue interface, a queue of integers, and you should write the code in this method. However, you're only allowed to use the add, remove, and isEmpty methods, nothing else. Also, as a hint, think about reversing a string. We've done that before. How do we reverse a string? We need a similar approach here. So spend 15 minutes on this exercise. When you're done, come back, see my solution.